Hello all, it's Sharon. In today's video I want to share with you all what Nate is getting for Christmas this year. So all these items, basically Nate requested them. The first item I'm going to show you is this Bowser's airship. Now Nate's father had bought in him this Bowser airship toy previously, and he also bought the other one I'm going to show you, which is the castle. And they were at his dad's house. He played with them when he saw his dad. And then the last time he saw his dad was the end of July of 2023. And then shortly after that, the house was sold, and nobody seemed to know where any of the Bowser toys, the Mario toys, they all just, I don't know if his dad took them or if he sold them. And I didn't really get to ask his dad before his dad passed away. So Nate has been asking all year to get these toys replaced. He also lost like a lot of his little Mario figures and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I decided to do for him for this Christmas, is to buy him the replacement toys. So this first item here is the Bowser's airship. It does come with a Mario figurine. These are all Super Mario, and they're by a company called Jack's Pacific. Now this one I bought on Amazon. It costs $74 on Amazon, and then there was an import fee because it comes from the States, because I live in Canada. So it was $9.62 to import it to Canada. But this is the one item that Nate wanted most of all. So this is the deluxe Bowser's airship playset, and like I said, it does come with just the Mario figurine, but it's a really cool airship with Bowser's face at the front. It does make noises when you add batteries. And what you can do with this is you can open it up and store all your little figurines inside it. But yeah, it's a really cool set overall. I'll just show you the other side on the box. So here's a better look of the actual ship. Now Bowser does not come with this particular set. He comes with the next one I'm going to show you, which is Princess Peach Castle. But here's some information if you want to pause and read it. And there's some other sets here that you can get. Now this is the other set that his dad had bought in him, and then somehow I guess got lost, or I don't know if, like I said, if his dad had sold it, but he really wanted this set as well. This is the deluxe Mushroom Kingdom Castle playset. So this one does come with the little Bowser figurine. It comes with a cool like little flag pole thing, but and then the question block and the little brick there as well. I'll show you what the back of this one looks like. And it does show other figures here, but they do not come with the set. It just comes with, like I said, with the Bowser figurine. But this is what this one says. And this one has like a background that you can put on as well, which is pretty cool. This one was also purchased on Amazon, and it was $45. Now Nate had about maybe, I would say 15 to 20 different little Mario characters, and he had ones from like even McDonald's. They're all like, a lot of them are gone. I think he only has a few left that he had with me at my house. So he wanted some other sets to go along with it. And for some reason, these Jack Pacific toys, a lot of these sets always come with a Mario character. There is one that has a Luigi character, but I couldn't get it to come to Canada. So you'll see that in the next set there is also one with Mario as well. But this is the really cool desert set, and Nate really wanted this one. It's got the little green guy there, the little bricks, the little turtle guy, and then it's got the fire Mario and the pipe and that little cool rock. But yeah, so, and then the back of this one looks like this. So I think if you put Mario in the pipe, you can make him look like he's coming out of the pipe. This is what this one says. And this one here was $20.69 on Amazon. And then this one, I purchased it, but my mom is going to actually give me the money back for it, and she is going to give Nate this one. But this one is the Soda Jungle set. This one on Amazon was $28.81. This one is really cool. It has the piranha plant, another Mario character, like the regular Mario. And then the pipe again, this cool like star coin. And then it's got the really cool like caterpillar guy. And he really wanted this set, so we had to get this one. And then I'm hoping by like his birthday, which is in February, I can get the Toad House, because that's another one that he requested. But again, I couldn't get it to come to Canada. But this is what this one says if you want to pause and read it. And then lastly on Amazon was this bag of figurines. I'll take them out and kind of show you what they look like. But this bag of the 5 figurines was $17 because he really wanted a Luigi character and like Toad and stuff. So I'll show you what the little characters look like. Not bad for $17, a little pricey, but I've been having been looking secondhand for some of these items, but I just can't find them because like I guess people really like collecting these kind of sets and stuff. But I'll show you what these guys look like. Now, I will say that this pack for $17 is not licensed Nintendo products. These were listed as cake decorations. Previously, I had bought in a really nice set of Mario figures, and those are the ones that got lost at his dad's house. They were also cake toppers. This set is okay. There's actually 6 little characters, so I'll show you what they look like. But we have Yoshi, and you can tell the paint is not the best, and then like Mario's face is kind of a little awkward, like that nose is not correct, but you know, Nate will like these regardless. There is Donkey Kong, he's pretty good, except the DK is backwards on his side. And then we have Princess Peach, again her face is a little wonky, and same with Toad. And then Luigi doesn't look bad. Like, I'm still gonna try to find some of these characters. I'm also going to show you too that I picked up a Dollarama. I'm hoping to find some characters at Dollarama because these are, like I said, not the best, but they will do for now. And lastly, in case you missed my Dollarama haul, I got these at the Dollarama. They were $5 each. There are other characters. I'm just hoping that my Dollarama has some before Christmas comes, but these are also by Jakks Pacific, and we have the Shy Guy character there, and then we have the Raccoon Mario, which is really adorable with the raccoon tail there. I'll show you on the back here, there are other characters. So yeah, I would like to get this like Princess Peach, you know, she looks a lot nicer. And then this guy, the Goomba, and the little magic guy, and Waluigi. But yeah, I'm hoping Dollarama has some of these other figures. But thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope I gave you some ideas if you're looking for some of these Super Mario characters. I know they're kind of popular right now. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to my next one. Take care, and bye for now.